Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wished you could get a key point from a YouTube video without watching the whole thing? Whether you're short on time or you need quick insights, I've got the perfect solution for you today. In today's video, I'll show you an amazing free AI tool that creates instant AI summaries for your YouTube videos, and I would also walk you through how it works. I'll explore the features and share why this could be a game changer for you if you're a content creator, especially on YouTube, if you're a student, you're a researcher, or you're anyone who just loves saving time. Let's get started. I create content around amazing and the latest AI tools that could help make your life or your business a lot more better. So stick around to me to the end of this video, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you never miss an update. The first step is to go to the website shown on the screen, and I'm going to leave the link to the website as usual in the description box so that you can go check it out. Now the first step is when you go to the website, as you can see, there are a number of things in here, some reviews from people who have actually used the site, and I actually have used it, and I think it's actually a great idea. So the first step is to click on Add to Chrome. Another thing I must mention is you don't need to sign up with your email address or anything. It has a lot of advantages as well because you're able to download the YouTube script itself. So let's say you're a content creator on YouTube and then you're looking for a video that would inspire your next video, you could basically just download a transcript. I'm not saying you should say everything word for word, but it's just a way to give you some inspiration. There's also it's also multilingual, so you could basically if you're not English speaking, then you could always change it to whatever language you speak, whether it's French, Spanish, Arabic, any of that. So the first step is when you come to the site, you just click on Add to Chrome. Like I said, it's free, so you're not going to enter anything like your credit card or whatsoever. And then once you click that, it brings you to this page. Now the next step is to click on Add to Chrome. Now you may want to definitely read the terms and conditions on this one because it can change your data on the website itself, on YouTube as well. So again, if piracy is something of interest to you, you may want to really understand what this really means, and then click on Add to Extension. Okay, so now that this has been added to Chrome, the next step for us, unfortunately if you don't use Chrome, there isn't an extension for you, so this is basically for people who use Chrome. The next step for you is to go to your YouTube, and go to the video that you basically want to you would want a summary for. So I'm probably just going to use my own YouTube video, so I'm just going to go to my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to probably go with my last YouTube video, which is a tutorial of a virtual assistant which I used AI for. So I'm just going to click on that, and then assistant really depends on which direction and then the next step for me is to basically, as you can see here, it's already generated a summary for me. So this is quite accurate because I created this tutorial, so I know exactly what's inside. This is quite an accurate summary. The other thing is what I was saying. So if English is in your language and you want it to be in French, then you could basically click on the French button here. You can just click on French, and then this whole summary will be generated in French for you, and I think it's pretty cool. Let's give it a moment while it generates. Okay, so as you can see, this has been generated, translated to French for us. I think it's actually really cool that it's multilingual. And then let me go back to English. And then about the last, the other feature I wanted to talk about with this video. So it has the transcript feature here. So if basically you find my video inspirational, you want to do something similar, what you could do is you could basically just come here, click on the transcript button here, and it's basically going to generate a transcript basically of everything I said in this video. And what you can do with that is you can basically go and review the transcript yourself. So now that our transcript has been generated, I'm just gonna open it up, and then let's see what we got. Okay, that's great. Actually, this generated everything for me, everything I said in this video, which I think is cool. Mind you, I'm not saying that you should take this video and do it word for word because you have the transcript. All what I'm saying is that you can use this as an inspiration for your YouTube videos. But yeah, that's it for today's video. Like I mentioned, if you haven't watched my last tutorial, you may want to check it out, especially if you're a business owner, you have a website and you'd want to have like a digital assistant or a virtual assistant on your website. My tutorial basically teaches you how you could train an avatar to act as a virtual assistant for you. So this saves you a lot of money if you're a business owner. But yeah, that is it for today's video. If you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also like my video, leave a comment. I'd like to know what you would want me to do a tutorial of next. All right, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.